So hybrid topology basically is a type of network topology that uses two or more different network topology. These one can include a mix of bus topology, batch topology, ring topology, star topology, and tree topology. Okay, so hybrid means two or more than two topology can be used at a time. The choice to use a hybrid topology over a standard topology depend on need of business. So it is depend on need of business, schools, or the users. The number of computers, their location, and the desired network performance are all factors in the decision. So it depends if your computer are increasing, okay, location increasing, different locations, but you want to connect all locations with each other. So then this will be used. This kind of topology will be used. Got that? Yes,
Yes,
Omar.
sir.
So this is the example. You can see picture of hybrid topology. So this one is a star. This one is the ring. This one is bus. At a time, all three topologies being used. Okay, got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Now see mesh topology. So mesh topology is a type of networking where all nodes cooperate to distribute data among each other. In this mesh topology, every computer has multiple paths to transfer data. This topology was really developed 30 years ago for military application. But today they are typically used for things like home automation, smart HVAC control, and smart meters. In that network, each device will have multiple paths to transfer data. Here you can see full mesh topology. Got the idea? You can go through this one.
Yes, sir.
Go through this one.
Okay. Yes, sir. I'm done.
Okay, you got it. This is the picture of mesh topology.
Yes.
Now see this one, cloud storage. So you aware with this already. Google Drive, iCloud. These are example of cloud storage. Means cloud storage is a cloud computing model that store data on the internet through a cloud computing provider who manages and operates data storage as a service. Cloud storage means storing data over a network, over a server, on a remote server. So it is delivered on demand with just-in-time capacity and cost. You can pay for more space and eliminate buying and managing your own data storage infrastructure. So some of the most popular cloud storage providers are Apple, iCloud, Amazon Web Services, Dropbox, and Google. Okay, you can go through.
Yes, sir. Okay. In the meantime, can I bring water?
Mhm.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I'm
So have you read this one?
Yes, sir.
Now this is basically client computer needs storage, and there are different servers. Okay, database storage. Each server are connected with each other. Here data your remotely stored. So this is the arrangement how Google how cloud storage works. This is these are different servers which are connected with each other. So that is why your data available every time. This is not working. You can access this data from here or here. So they will always have a backup data. Got the idea?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, okay. Now you will have a two types of storage, cloud storage. One is public cloud. Google Drive is the example of public. Okay. If you make an email account, and then you will have a such kind of access. Public cloud is a storage environment where the customer or client and cloud storage provider are different companies. Okay. You can have a Google Cloud, Dropbox, iCloud, they have iPhone. This is which is publicly available everywhere, everywhere. But if you want to secure,
Yes, sir.
if your data is very much sensitive, you don't want everybody know where you have to store data, then you can access private cloud. For that you have to pay. It is storage provided by dedicated environment behind a company firewall. So it is very much secure. Customer, client, and cloud storage provider are integrated and operate as a single entity. Here, everybody know where your data stored because they know your ID, Google ID, email ID. Okay. Public cloud is less secure, but private cloud is more secure. So on the basis of these two, you can have a hybrid cloud. It's a combination of private and public cloud. Some data reside in the private cloud, which is very sensible, and less sensitive or less commercial data can be accessed from a public cloud. If you think your data is not it's not required more security, you can have it can be accessed by everyone. So you will store data on public cloud. You think your company data is very need to be secured, very sensitive, so that you can store data on private cloud. Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Just go through. Okay, done.
Yeah, I'm in the law. Public. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I'm done.
Okay. Now cloud software. This is the software which basically control all cloud storage. It says also known as cloud-based software or cloud application. Is application software that's hosted in the cloud and that you access and use by a web browser. A dedicated desktop client or an API that integrate with your desktop or mobile operating system. Even cloud software can be any application software like Google Sheet. Have you heard about Google Sheet?
Google Sheet?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, Google Sheet means Word, Excel, PowerPoint available online. Okay, these are application software which you can work on online. So you don't need to have locally MS Office, so you can access Google Sheet. The cloud computing as infrastructure and software model that enable ubiquitous access to shared pool of storage, network, server, and applications. It allows for data processing to be done a privately owned cloud or a third party software. This creates maximum speed and reliability. So remotely you can do work on server to perform office related activity like Word, PowerPoint, Access, something like. Okay, you can go through.
Okay.
Okay, have you done?
No, sir, I'm at the last. Yes, sir, I'm done.
Now this is network media. Okay, now devices, how devices can be connected? We need to have network media. Okay, network media is the actual path over which an electrical signal travels as it moves from one computer to another. Okay, so it is categorized as follows. You need, so there are two types of network media: wire and wireless. Wire, also called cable, guided media, or bounded media, or even we also call it physical media. So cable, wire, or physical media, same. So it has three categories. Electrical or optical signal are passed through a solid medium. Different types of cable or wire used. As the path traversed by the signal is guided by the size, shape, and length of wire, this type of media is called guided media. So the signal are confined within the wire and do not propagate outside the wire or media. So we will discuss. There are three types of network media: wire, cable media, copper wire, twisted pair, coaxial cable, and fiber optic. Okay, second network media is wireless, air, unguided, waves, or unbound. These are different names. Air information is transmitted by sending electromagnetic signal on air through free space. Air signal are not guided in any specific direction or inside any specific medium. So that is what is called unguided. All unguided media transmission are classified as wireless transmission. Wireless transmission can be used as a medium in both LAN and WAN environment. Okay, got the idea?
Okay.
So you can go through. Just go through.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Okay, now
Yes.
further categories are given or further detail. The first network media is wire, cable, or guided media. It can have three types of cable. One is twisted pair cable, second is coaxial, and third is fiber optic. In the whole world, these three cables are used in computer network. Twisted pair have two other categories, UTP and STP. And UTP will have two pair wire and four pair wire. This wire used in telephone network. Okay, telephone network. In computer network, normally we use four pair wire. This is computer network cable. Okay, in computer lab, offices. Okay, coaxial used in TV and fiber optic used for huge data transmission under sea. Okay, this is also being used in houses. Okay, but at limited level. You understand? You understand these categories? The first one is twisted pair.
Yeah, that's
Second is coaxial. This third is fiber. These two pair, twisted and coaxial are copper. They use copper. Okay, copper material. Fiber optic means glass. They use glass or plastic in terms of material. Now, second category is wireless. We also call it air unguided waves. It can have a radio wave, microwave, spread spectrum. These are all long range. Infrared, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi are short range. These are short range. Available free. Radio used in radio transmission, microwave used in mobile tower, satellite, spread spectrum, kind of that. This is the twisted pair cable, which is normally used in computer. A type of cable that consists of two independently insulated wires twisted around one another. Okay. So each pair will have two wires which can be twisted each other. The use of two wires twisted together help to reduce crosstalk and electromagnetic induction. The wire twisted pair cable is used by older telephone networks and is least expensive type of local area network cable. Most networks contain some twisted pair cabling at some point along the network. So basically, this is twisted pair cable, which is used in computer networks. You can go through.
Okay, sir.
Okay, done.
And I'm just looking at the diagram. Yes, sir, I'm done.
Okay. Now, twisted pair cable, you will have an UTP cable also. So this is basically the diagram UTP. Unshielded twisted pair because it has only two covers. This is copper conductor, cover of copper conductor, this one, and all these cable covered by this. So there are only two layers. Unshielded, that is why we call it unshielded twisted. This is mostly used in telephone and computer network. The most common kind of copper telephone wiring. Twisted pair is the ordinary copper wire that connects home and many business computer to the telephony company. To reduce crosstalk or electromagnetic induction between pair of wire, two insulated copper wire are twisted around each other. Okay.
Yes, sir, I'm done.
Okay. Now STP cable. This is STP cable. It has third layer. This is UTP. This is copper conductor covered by this one, and these all cable covered by this one. STP have three layers. One is copper conductor, this one, and this one. That is why it becomes thicker than UTP. A type of copper telephone wire in which each of the two copper wires that are twisted together are coated with an insulating coating that function as a ground for the wire. The extra covering in shielded twisted wiring protect the transmission line from electromagnetic interference leaking into or out of cable. So this is second layer. STP cabling often used in Ethernet networks, especially fast data rate Ethernet. STP is similar to UTP, but with each pair covered by an additional copper braided jacket or foil wrapping. So this shielding helps protect the signal on the cable from external interference. STP is more expensive than UTP, but has benefit of being able to support higher transmission rate over longer distance. STP used in IBM token ring network. Okay, can go through.
Yes, sir, I'm done.
Okay. Here you can see its picture. Another view. This is UTP. Now here you can see copper connector. The first layer protecting, second layer, and third layer. That is why it is thicker than UTP. It has only two layers, this one and this one. And STP has three layers. Got the idea? Now coaxial cable. Basically, it was we have used many times, many years ago in computer networks. Now we are not using such kind of cable in computer, but it is being used in television. So a type of wire that consists of center wire surrounded by insulation and then a grounded sheet of braided wire. It has only one wire which is covered by different layers. The sheet minimizes electrical and radio frequency interference. Coaxial cabling is the primary type of cabling used by cable television industry and is also widely used for computer networks such as Ethernet. Although more expensive than standard telephone wire, it is much less susceptible to interference. Interference means outside interference to disturb the signal and can carry much more data. Kind of that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We'll go through this one. Have you done?
Sir, can I come from?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yes, sir. Hello.
Okay. See this one. This is basically virtual cable. This is copper wire conductor, current conductor. One insulation, second insulation, third insulation. So, so you can see how protected this one. Another view.
Okay.
Copper conductor, first coil, first cover, second cover, third cover, and fourth cover. So there are four coverage of one wire. And this is basically connector. Through this is connected with computer or any other device, wherever it is used.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Okay. Now fiber optic, a technology that uses glass or plastic thread fiber to transmit data. This is very much secure cable, okay, which carry huge data. So a fiber optic cable consists of bundle of glass thread, each of which is capable of transmitting messages modulated onto light wave. One cable can have as few as 2 strands or as many as several hundred. Each strand is less than a tenth as thick as human hair and can carry something like 25,000 telephone calls. So an entire fiber optic cable can easily carry several billion calls. So this is the huge. Okay, just go through.
Okay, sir.
Done?
Reading. Class 11?
No, it is going on.
The class 11.
Okay. You want to say something? Can you say again?
No, sir, I was just asking if class is over. I was just asking if class is over.
You want to no, go through this one first, then over. Okay.
Do you still?
Yeah, why did you say? Yeah, it is same. Okay, it is same.
No, I was asking, do you still teach? No.
Your voice is lagging. Can you say something? Can
Yeah,
you
I was
type?
asking, do you still teach Naman?
No, Numan is still not in touch. He will continue, but later on.
Uh,
Is he in your college or different? But did he took the admission?
mm, no, no, he didn't come for today this
Okay,
year, so I think he's in Pakistan.
fine. Here you can see structure of fiber optic. This is glass core, okay, which carry the current. Glass cladding, okay, and then primary buffer, which protect the basically this one, and secondary buffer. The fiber optic is much more secure than other cable, more faster than other cable, okay, and very expensive than other cable.
Okay, sir. So,
So enough for today.
yes,
Here you can see further. Okay. So from here we'll
okay.
start. Take a picture,
Okay.
send it to me.
Yes, sir, I sent it.
Camera face.
Love is, love is.